So today, gas prices rose 15 cents over the past 2 weeks to $2.54 a gallon, and that is the highest level so far this year, but it's still much lower than it was a year ago. Joining me now, Patrick DeHaan, senior petroleum analyst at GasBuddy.com. What's going on, Patrick?
Well, you know, suddenly you have a change in situation. You have the Saudis dropping bombs on Yemen, and everyone's worried about the Middle East. And here at home, U.S. domestic oil production surprisingly starting to drop. And no, it's a drop in the bucket. It doesn't amount to much, but it's the psyche of the oil trader that production is dropping after years of increases, plus combined with slower than expected increases in the EIA's crude oil inventories that they report every Wednesday. You have a recipe that, hey, maybe the bulls are coming back to the market, and that they are now.
Let's break that down a little bit. 2 weeks ago, you told us that the buildup in crude supplies was pushing gas prices lower, but now we seem to be headed in the opposite direction. Why is that?
Well, again, it goes back to the EIA and its weekly report. Oil inventories only rose 1.9 million barrels 2 weeks ago. That was way lower than the previous average. All of 2015 has averaged about 8.4 million barrels. So to see a tiny number and then combined with a 20,000 barrel a day drop in U.S. domestic oil production, absolutely. The bulls came back out in full force. Oil prices rising, just based on something that's relatively insignificant. Now,
I'm not an expert on these global affairs, but I can tell you gas prices are up 15 cents a gallon in the last 2 weeks alone, $2.54.
Yeah.
Is this the new normal, or are we going to continue to go up, or will we go down?
I think we'll go down after perhaps we go up a little bit more. And most of the increase right now is being driven, especially by the West Coast, where refinery issues are back in full force, and it's driving California's average to jump 25 cents a gallon. We'll get a break, but it may take a week or two.
We'll get a break, but it may take a week or two. Okay, well, we'll have you back to test that theory. Patrick, thanks for coming on the show. It's so good to see you.
Thanks.